I'm Robert Jakes. Welcome to the Jakes Coffee Plantation. Out here we have 85,000 Arabica coffee trees producing a really high quality coffee. The whole plantation consists of about 200 acres with 2 kilometres of creek frontage. We also have a plantation cafe along with obviously the kitchen and the factories and everything else that goes along with it. We have various pumps around the property that are consuming electricity. We also have 4 residences here as well. So along with the residences, the factories, the cafe, the kitchen, the pumps, there's a lot of energy usage to keep a farm going. The biggest energy user on the farm is the pumps. If you can negate the power that you use in your pumps, then you're on a winner. We love to be green and clean out here on the plantation. So what we have with the power, we'll be actually feeding some of it back to the grid and powering a bit of the local community. Yeah, so we will. We're going to be powering our plantation as well as the local community around here as well. So the Mareeba Township, they'll be getting some of ours by Bura, and obviously we'll be using as much as we can with the pumps and with the cafe that runs during the day. So what we want to do is out here is just have the solar power. Now when you have a product like that, you just want to set and forget. You just want to let the solar do its job without any worries. And if there is any worries, everything's being monitored, 25-year warranty on the panels and all the rest of the system. So we're very happy in that regards.